Hello, and welcome to this episode on how to pick a pineapple the right way. So first off, there are a few myths surrounding how to pick the perfect pineapple. Myth number 1 would be the crown. So a lot of people think, or we're told, that if you pull the innermost leaf out of the crown, how easily it comes out correlates to how ripe your pineapple is. False. Myth number 2 is the color. So people have been told that the more yellow, the prettier color, that yellow should be kind of equal throughout, correlates to how ripe it is. Also false. Myth number 3, pineapple smell. So if you smell it, and it smells like the sweetest pineapple you've ever had, it's probably going to be the sweetest pineapple you've ever had. Also, false. So, the right way to choose pineapple. Rule number 1 is the eyes. These little sections on the pineapple are called the eyes. The first rule is the size of the eyes should be equal from the bottom all the way through to the top. So if the bottom eyes are a lot bigger than the top eyes, it's not right yet. Rule number 2 is the smell. If you smell your pineapple and it smells very strongly of pineapple, then your pineapple is overripe. It's fermented and it is not going to be good. So rule number 2 is you don't want a pineapple smell. Rule number, I don't even know what rule number 3 is. Rule number 3. Color doesn't matter. Rule number 3. Color does not matter. On this pineapple, the bottom is kind of yellow. Towards the top, it's a darker green. Doesn't matter. This whole thing could be a dark green and be completely, perfectly ripe. Well, there you have it. The 3 rules on how to pick a pineapple the right way. And while we're at it, we debunked 3 of the myths on how to pick a pineapple. So, head out to your store, get out of the cooler, and go pick some pineapple.